Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by naming the single task you'll fly through and why it matters. This primes focus. Next, set a 45-minute session timer and silence notifications. Do it now so you won't break momentum. Once done, close unrelated tabs and prepare the one app or document you need. This reduces decision friction. Make sure to place phone out of reach. Doing these quick, concrete steps gives you a runway for sustained attention and makes the next actions automatic. You now enter the flight pattern. Tackle the top action from your backlog for the full block, no multitasking. Keep a tiny list of 3 next actions and mark them 1, 2, 3 so choices are instant. This streamlines decisions and prevents drifting. If you hit friction, pause for a 3-5-minute reset, breath, stretch, refocus, then return and pick up exactly where you left off. By repeating blocks and short resets, you maintain energy and sustain deep work across a session. You finish by doing a quick 2-minute review. Note what you completed, any blockers, and the next 1 to 3 actions for the next session. This closes the loop. If attention collapsed, drop session length to 15-20 minutes and rebuild gradually. Short wins restore confidence. One key troubleshooting tip: when distractions recur, log their triggers for 2 sessions and remove or automate the biggest offender. Doing this turns interruptions into fixable variables and keeps your focus flight reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.